Welcome to a new session, and in this session I am going to be quickly demonstrating to you how to install the Git on your CentOS machine. Alright, you may choose to install it on your Windows machine also. Alright, but I'm going to be doing it on Linux machine. Okay, if you want to install for Windows, type it as download Git for Windows, and that is going to be here. So you have for Mac OS, Windows, and Linux. All right. So I'm going to follow the installation procedure for Linux here. So for the Windows, the current version is actually 2.35.1. However, we will be getting whatever is latest within the repository we have. Okay. So I have the terminal here. So let me open up. And the first step would be to go ahead and run yum install git-y. Okay. All right. That was pretty quick. Okay. So that was so easy. So let's now check what is there's two parts to it. Let's check if the Git was successfully installed, as well as what is the version that was installed for us. So the Git version currently is showing as 1831 for us. This is supposed to be, we are supposed to be using the 2.3.5. This is a pretty old version which is actually showing. However, when we are installing, based on the local repository, whichever you are going to connect, from there we can do it. Right, let's see how to upgrade this now. So let's first go ahead and remove the current version. Okay, so for that, yum remove -y git, and we'll use the star or git -star. Okay, let's see, we will also use the git. Okay, so everything is clean now. So the next step, we will go ahead and install the latest packages. Right, the control V does not seem to be working. Let me see that. Okay, right. Okay, so that was pretty fast as well. So let me check the Git version now, and it's showing no such file or directory because the path is not added. Okay, so we have to, so what happened right now is we have downloaded the package, but we have not installed it. So to install it here, what I want you to do is, I want you to run yum install git-y. Okay, so now let's check out the Git version there, and we have the latest version. So this is the process of installing the older version, removing the Git packages, and upgrading to the new version. All right, so now that we have installed Git, what we want to do is we want to test it. Okay, so how am I going to test it? There is a bit of a commands there. First, I want to show you something. So let me run git status here, and the moment I run git status, what you are getting is fatal, not a git repository .git. Okay, so what actually happens is we need to create a directory which is going to be used as a git repository. So for that, we first need to, let's create a directory. We'll call it, let's check out which path we are currently in. We are in the root. What I'll do is I'll change to home / let's see, I'll change to vroot1. Okay, and I'm going to keep all the packages there, and I'll call this within vroot1 as mkdir my repo1. Okay, so within my repo, the next step that I have to do is I have to initialize my Git within that particular repository. So to do that, cd to that directory, then run git init. Initialize empty Git repository. So that is what we were expecting. Okay. Okay. So now the next step that we want to do is we can see the .git file here. Okay, which means that this is a Git repository. Okay. The next step is I want you to run git status, and what you get here is on branch master, no commits yet. So remember, this is the branch master. We will see in detail in the coming videos more about Git. So this is just the beginning of it. I'll see you in the upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next session.